Are you still using ChatGPT and paying subscription for it? Essentially, you're throwing away the money because there are plenty of options out there that you can use free of cost that can solve your question better, can give you better answer, and it's without any money. In this video, I'm going to show you the alternatives to ChatGPT that can you use to speed up your work, can give you better answer, can give you better research, and without any money. In this video, I will also show you which tool to use when. So that will help you to use the right free tool to solve your problem better. So let's dive into it. So Google Gemini is probably the easiest place to start with if you want to have a ChatGPT alternative. For free, I think it's powered by Google AI. And here is what makes it amazing. If you have a Google account, which let's be honest, most of you do, you can literally just go to gemini.google.com that you can see on my screen. I already have it open. So this is the link that you need to type, and you can just directly log in with your Google account, and then you will have this interface. And now you can start chatting. There is no credit card required, no extra sign up which is required. And what you can do with Gemini for free is like everything. So you can write emails, you can create contents, you can brainstorm, you can analyze documents. It even understand images, and plus it has a real time web access, meaning it knows what is happening right now in the world and integrates beautifully with the Google Docs, Gmail, and Google Search, so you are not jumping between the websites. And the free version is generally powerful. Yes, there is a paid version that is slightly faster, but honestly, for most of the people, the free version will do everything you need. You can also create images here, you can write, you can build something, you can also do a deep research as you can see already here. There is an option to also use different models that you can use. So 2.5 Pro also you can use for reading and math and coding. And yeah, there is always an upgrade option, but I think that is not needed for most of the time. So next comes up the Claude. Claude is made by the company called Anthropic. And a lot of people, including me, think that it is one of the best AI chatbot ever made. So the free version, you can log in at Claude AI, which is surprisingly capable of doing really great stuff. What makes Claude special? It's really good at understanding nuance. So if you're writing something creative, something technical, or you need really careful, thoughtful response, Claude often outperforms paid version of other tools. So you get certain number of message before you hit the limit that resets daily, but for most of the people that is more than enough. One more thing that Claude can handle huge documents, it can understand videos, it can understand images. It is just incredible, versatile. So you can choose the model here. You can see that, and Sonnet 4.5 is the smartest model I think out there that you can use, and you can just ask your questions. It can work with images, videos, and everything. So now this ones have been making waves recently, and you should know about it. The DeepSeek is a pre-AI chatbot made by a Chinese company, and it's completely free. No limit, no sign up. You need to log in with your Gmail account or some account, and you can use it easily. So why DeepSeek is special? It's a phenomenal at reasoning and at problem solving. If you need any help breaking down complex problems, explaining tough concepts, or working through step-by-step solutions, DeepSeek is generally one of the best options out there, and it's completely unlimited. So you can use as much as you want. So you can do deep search, deep thinking, everything here. So you can start talking here. So the next one is Microsoft Copilot. It is developed by Microsoft, as you can see by name itself. And right now I'm in Microsoft Edge. So this is already integrated with Microsoft Edge. If you're using Bing search, it is already there. You can see an icon here, open Copilot. You can open it directly here, and this takes you to this window, and now you have a chatbot. And now in this Copilot, the best part is that you also have a GPT models here, free of cost. So for example, let's ask what is AI. So it works normally how the other chatbot works. It has all the options here, and you also can use GPT model here also for free. And the best part is that you don't need to log into some other website. It is already integrated, so you can start to use it right away. Now, the fifth one is a Perplexity. Perplexity is my favorite for research and learning chatbot. Instead of just giving the answer, Perplexity actually show you where the information is coming from. It's like having a smart research assistant that sits into its source. So to go to the Perplexity, as you can see already, I'm already there. So you need to go to perplexity.ai, and you can ask your question about anything and current event even, and it can help you to give answer. Can you have a research option here also that you can use, and it can just give you let's say this. And what it does actually is it goes to Google, it search all the websites there, it takes the best one out of it, and that it will try to give it to that LLM, and that LLM is summarizing all the answers. And you can see all the website from where that it has been captured, so you can see it here, and you can be sure that the data which is given to you is genuine, so the answer that you're getting is genuine. So this is very good if you're a student, if you're a college student who doing some research where you need to show the proof also from where this data is coming. So that is also very good. So you can see every answer, there is at the end there is a source from where this data is coming, so you can easily show the uh, validation of the data, like it's really good. So this is also, I think, really good if you're students. I highly recommend to use Perplexity. And yes, here you have many options also. You can see that I have been using a lot. You can see that I got the exhaust limit, but in general, if you do a normal research, you can do it normally. I was doing a deep research, so that's why it took you cannot do in a free version a lot of it, but still you can do it. And you also have option to choose different models as well, so which is also really good. So you can choose the one and you can try out which one is working better for you. Okay, so these were the 5 tools that I wanted to show you that can definitely can help you in uh, change your game and give you better results. There is one more chatbot I would like to show you now, and this is completely free. You can use as much as you want, there is no limit. And yeah, let's dive into it. So the last one is from the Hugging Face. So this is as you know, this is the pre community where you have all the model for deployed. So to come to this chatbot, you need to sign up first. So I will show you the Hugging Face first. Hugging Face, as you can see here, it's American based company, and they are also having the AI community where you can actually, they also have a chatbot here. So you need to just click here and then you would be opening this chat. Also, if you are a first time user, you need to log in here. So you need to create an account, you need to sign up first in this website, and then you can use it. And the good thing about this chatbot is that you have, you can see here 119 models. So these are the 119 models you have that we can use. These all are free models. So here you will see all the models like from Kimi, Omni, DeepSeek, OpenAI models, also some Llama models, Queen. So all those models you can just choose from here. For example, I am now choosing DeepSeek, so you can see it's now DeepSeek model chosen. Here also you can see you can ask the questions. There is no limit here. All the model which is hosted here are free of cost. You don't need to pay even a single penny. Also, you can chat as much as you want. So there is no limit here. So I would highly recommend you to use it. And yeah, so that's all models that I wanted to share you today. Okay, so now you might be thinking like, okay, now we know all the truth, but what tool to choose now? So now today I'm going to also show you what tool to use when. So for example, you are a student and you are learning something new. So I would suggest you to use Perplexity or Google Gemini. The reason for that is that it gives you also the source from where the information is coming. So that is really helpful for you to justify your answer. If you are doing something really creative, something new, I would highly suggest you to use Claude models or Claude chatbot, because they are extremely good at doing creative tasks. They are not giving you answer more robotic. So it gives you really genuine, like a human answer. So I would highly suggest you to use Claude AI. If you need a quick answer to your technical problems, then I will highly suggest you to use DeepSeek, because they are really good in reading and they can really give you a benefit there. If you're just looking for a replacement for ChatGPT, I would highly suggest that to use Google Gemini, that can really do all the tasks that you're doing in ChatGPT and can give you really good result and free of cost. So that's all for today, guys. If you really like this video, if you feel this was really helpful for you, please hit the like button and share with your friends also. And until then, see you in the next video. Bye.